Hi, my name is Dr. David Lee, physical therapist, and I'm going to be going over some upper back stretches for upper back pain. This is thoracic extension. We're going to go ahead and do this from the seated position. Great for all the people that sit for a while. So what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and sit in our chair. Going to go ahead and lean all the way back to the back of the chair. Make sure that your feet are on the ground. From here, we can do this in a couple different positions. So we can go ahead and cross our arms over our chest. And then what you can do is go ahead and lean back. Make sure that the chin is down. Make sure that your stomach is tight as you lean back. You should feel the upper back stretching here. And then come down. Do repetitions this way. Hold for about 5 to 10 seconds. And then come back. And you can also do that in different levels. So you can come down a little bit. Make sure that the stomach is still tight. Bring your shoulders down, lean back, chin tight, and go down. Okay, you can also roll up a towel, put it in the back of your chair like this, and then do the same thing. You should feel a little bit more of a stretch this way. And go back, go forward, and go back. Okay, so I would work out all the different segments in your upper back to help loosen up the whole upper back there. All right, this exercise is for thoracic rotation, so we're going to do it in the seated position. You're going to make sure that your feet are firmly planted against the ground for balance. From here, what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and clasp our hands, and then we're going to go down towards the left foot here. And then we want to make sure that we're going towards the opposite side, the right shoulder. As you do this, want to make sure that you are turning your shoulders and looking towards the path of that hand. So you should feel the upper back stretching as you do this. Do this for about 8 to 10 reps. And then we're going to switch sides. So you're going to come towards the right foot. Look all the way up. Make sure that your back is not arched. Make sure that you're keeping your stomach tight as you do this. You don't want to let the back arch and go like that. You want to make sure that you're keeping your stomach tight and then pushing towards the opposite shoulder. Okay, so I recommend about 3 to 4 sets of that, and you should feel a lot of looseness in your upper back. This is thoracic rotation in quadruped position. Basically hands and knees. So what we're going to do is we're going to come into our hands and knees. From here, we're going to put our hand behind our head and then make sure that you sit back into this movement. When you sit back, what it does is it prevents the lower back from moving. So we're going to sit all the way back. From here, we're going to go ahead and put our hand behind our head. And then what we're going to do is we're going to bring our elbow to our opposite hand. And then you're going to come all the way up. Come all the way down. Come all the way up. You should feel a stretch in the upper back. Do about 8 to 10 reps of this. And you should feel it loosening up each time you go up. Hold for about 5 seconds at the top. And then you're going to do about 3 to 4 sets each side. This is thoracic rotation in lying down position. So what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and lie down on your side. From here, make sure that your head is nicely supported by a pillow. And then if the surface is too hard, make sure that it's on a softer surface if you have any hip issues. From here, what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and bend the knees all the way up. The purpose of this is to not get the rotation through the low back and focus it through the upper back. From here, what we're going to do is we're going to start off with our hand on our hip. And then you're going to go ahead and turn all the way to the opposite side. So you're going to go ahead, and as you turn, you're going to go ahead and look towards that back elbow. And then you're going to come back forward. And then you're going to go all the way back. Hold for about 10 seconds. If this is okay, you can go ahead and extend the hand. Reach all the way back. You should feel a nice stretch in your pec and in your upper back. Hold for about 10 seconds again. Come all the way forward, and then come all the way back. So do about 10 repetitions of those, about 3 times each side. All right, and those were some stretches for your upper back. I hope that helped out. And if the symptoms continue to persist, go ahead and contact your medical professional.